afternoon, my name is Saliha Surati. Welcome to a demonstration of my board game called Marvelous Math. A bit later on in the video, I will be demonstrating how the game is played as well as the way it looks and how it comes packaged. For now, I just want to go a little bit into detail about what procedural fluency is. So procedural fluency is the ability to apply procedures accurately, efficiently, and flexibly. So procedural fluency requires careful attention. We sometimes resort to basic fact fluency to address this point of rigor. Other times we brush it aside as carrying little weight in comparison to other ingredients of rigorous instruction. Either approach misses the intended target because procedural fluency is important and it is more than just memorizing facts. So how do we as educators help students to develop procedural fluency? One way is through meaningful activities. Activities that help develop procedural fluency have specific attributes. They are inviting and engaging, they are easy to learn and prepare, they are repeatable throughout the year. Another reason why procedural fluency can be used by playing activities and board games is that games make learning maths fun. It is way more fun to apply a game than to fill out a worksheet, so games make it fun. They also provide tons of practice in a short time frame. If you've ever done games in your classroom, kids are having so much fun playing a game that when it's time to stop, they'll moan and be like, no, we don't want to stop. And half the time they don't even realize that they were doing maths. So this is why this is a great way to introduce procedural fluency by using board games in your classroom. Also, without sufficient procedural fluency, students have trouble deepening their understanding of mathematical ideas or solving mathematical problems. So using Marvelous Maths will be able to develop your students' abilities in procedural fluency. I will now demonstrate to you how the game is played, the rules, and also how it comes packaged. So welcome to Marvelous Maths. Once you have opened up your board game, this is how it will look. As you can see, it is superhero themed to excite the students. It is also a multiplication game for procedural fluency. The rules and instructions are also on the board so that students can refer to it if they get confused. So to begin the game, students will first write down their names on a record sheet. It can be played with up to 4 players at a time. The characters and cards for the game come packaged in a little container. So students, after they have written down their names, they will then choose a character, and this is where the game begins. So students will place their characters. Once all of them have chosen their characters, they will then roll a dice. The dice has also been handmade. So they will roll the dice. The student with the highest number from 1 to 6 will begin first. The packaging also contains chance and challenge cards. These are the chance cards. They will be placed upside down on the chance, and the challenge, it both consists of tricks and treats as well as a challenge and a chance. So if students land on a chance, they will pick up a trick, a treat, or a chance. And then they will, if it's a trick, they will minus 10 points from the sheet. They will also roll the dice and begin the game and move clockwise. They will then be required to answer the multiplication on the board. Once they've answered it correctly, the next player will move on, and this is how the game continues until the student with the first player and the first student to reach 100 points will become the superhero of Marvelous Maths game. Thank you. So one last time, this is how the game will look while being played. So you can see this is a game based on multiplication to develop students' procedural fluency. It is a fun game that can be played over and over in a classroom or at home, and it can be played with multiple players. This is a great game to excite students. They won't even realize they are playing a maths game or developing their math skills. So have a go at Marvelous Maths.